Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the view was pretty nice. That was pretty cool. There's a lot of trees over here too. That's pretty cool. Lizard.
Water bottle. I wonder what it was. Supposed to be a water bottle.
Probably, yeah. Probably not supposed to litter in areas like this. I don't know. Pretty cool. So you haven't been here in like 5 years?
Probably. I'm going to go at least 5 years.
Oh no, that's a long time. That tree's out of the dirt too, right there. Both of them trees are sideways. More trees over here that are messed up. That's crazy. Did we see this? Oh yeah, we've seen this.
We did. Back at that lookout, we've seen gators before. Big gators out in the water there.
Have you?
Oh yeah.
Is it common too?
Well, he said he saw one. That one guy said he was one floating down there.
Yeah, they did. I remember.
When you play your game upstairs,
Yeah.
and you sit on the side of your bed, are you comfortable?
I mean, yeah, it's fine.
I mean, would it be easier to have a chair, some kind of a chair to sit in?
If I maybe had space and can sit like somewhere close to my TV, because that's how I have to like play.
You could move your bed more toward the closet.
Yeah, I mean that would work probably.
You got all that space right there. You just look uncomfortable when you're sitting kind of, because you got to kind of hunch over.
Yeah.
So, you know, maybe some kind of a chair to actually sit back and.
Yeah. I mean, maybe, yeah. When is Black Friday? That's coming up, ain't it?
The day after Thanksgiving, the 29th.
That's when there are a lot of things are on sale,
Oh my
right?
God. Yeah.
That's awesome. Do you ever go anywhere for Black Friday? I might do some Black Friday shopping this time.
I'll be on the cruise ship.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
I mean, if I were to do something, I would do it online. I'm not going anywhere with so many people you can't move.
Yeah, that's probably not smart.
Probably Amazon or something.
Yeah.
Did you want to get a picture of this gator?
Yeah. No, probably not. I don't know if he's there anymore. Excuse me. Yeah, he was still there. I didn't see the big one though.
No.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this place.
So you don't think you've ever been here?
I don't know if I have or not. If I have, it's been a while ago. But I don't remember, honestly. I don't think so. I like it. I might come here a couple times then. This is a good place to come to. Dude, that's pretty nice standard, yeah.